Artoonza.
Hey there, sweet tooth artists and milkshake masterminds. Today, we're drawing the most delicious strawberry milkshake ever, packed with fluffy whipped cream, a fresh strawberry on top, and a cute candy stick. Please do not lick your screen. We're splashing on pink, red, and yellow paints and finishing it off with some seriously sparkly glitter polish. It's basically dessert, but for your sketchbook. So grab your brushes and let's shake things up together. Give us your like.
So cute.
Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. The milkshake said, I want it all and I want it now. First up, pink, yellow, and red drops are raining down. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Operation Glow Up is officially open for business. Give us a big thumbs up. Step 1 of the Glow Up, red. We're dropping red paint like this strawberry is crying happy tears of deliciousness, then brushing it all in smooth and gorgeous. Some call it art. We call it a snack with commitment issues. Seriously, though, please don't eat the painting. We really cannot stress this enough. Don't tell the others.
So cute.
Glow Up Step 2, yellow. Dropping sunshine drops, then brushing them in smooth because this milkshake just earned a golden crown. The sun actually called and asked for its color back. We put it on silent. Smash that like button now. Green glossy and black glitter. This milkshake just hired a personal stylist. Adding glossy shimmer and sparkly glitter because basic milkshakes are so last season. Fancy only. Last but absolutely never least. Pink takes the stage. Dropping and brushing in the most gorgeous pink because this milkshake has earned every drop. Sweet, sparkly, and honestly, the prettiest thing we've ever made. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.